This episode is sponsored by Unreal at Gaming. And for all those who have brought Dragon Ball Super to life. Anyhow, let's just consider this as great news, for as you have noticed, Jiren is back. And he's taken the role as Grand Minister. Under the training of the original Grand Minister, Jiren has become one of his students and has presented a staff to him as a reward for becoming next in line to become the next Grand Minister, as Goku did in Super Dragon Ball Heroes, in order to master Ultra Instinct. With this new suit and this capabilities, Jiren promises to have a rematch with Goku with Kakarot one of these days again. Consider it a following. Hopefully we'll see Jiren again real soon.
What's up, boys?
Shh.
I'm not angry at you. It's two different things, okay? But that's the reason why. You give me permission? That's permission. You give me permission.
And finished. That's how you draw Jiren as the Grand Minister. Here's the angelic staff. And done. That's how you draw Grand Minister Jiren. I'm proud you got to see this character in action again. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel. And be on the lookout for more characters like this soon. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.